Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney Office Hours on February 22nd. I apologize if I don't sound that great today, I'm pretty sick right now, but I'll keep it quick. David said that the brunt of the team is working on version 5. They have the models working, although there are some issues. Nothing too bad, but still issues. So there needed to be some retraining. They could potentially release it even with these issues. It's a bit of an internal debate, where version 5 might start with just square images only, kind of like version 4. They might release it without an upscaler, but have 1024 by 1024 as the default resolution. He said that hands are looking good, maybe 80% of the time, so there's an improvement on details. They're still working on the base style of version 5. In a week or so, they'll have a version 5 image voting activity with the community to try and narrow down what the new model is really going to look like. He said that tiling should be ready for version 5 and that version 6 and 7 are moving along as well. There is a slightly new version of the website up and running. It's got a better search. I think you should check it out. And I want to give credit to MoodFoods. He watches the channel and gave me access to his gallery. Most of the pictures from this recap are based on his prompts. I'll leave a link to the gallery in the description so you can check it out yourself. I hope you're all doing well. Take care, and I'll see you next time.